Hi everybody, this is Debbie from the Shop of Threads. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an idea of what I'm going to be doing on my channel. They always say to find a niche when you're doing a channel on YouTube. And I agree with that. You don't want to be all over the board, but I do more so my business, and I have a small business doing embroidery. But I also do do-it-yourself crafts, bigger projects, and a lot of cooking. Everything I do it from my home, including my small business, my embroidery business. So I thought, why not just show all the things that I have made in the past. Some I will go through and do tutorials on starting from scratch, making them. Some are past projects that I've done that, you know, time is a little bit not on my side right now with the embroidery business, but I like to sneak in here and there a cooking video or a do-it-yourself project. So I thought, you know, why not, you know, just give you a little bit of other things that I don't do anymore. Like I was doing some things where I planned on making a business with them at one time, but I'm not. The embroidery is my business, small business, but nonetheless, love what I do. So the other things that I do for in my home itself, when I make things, the do-it-yourself crafts, what I'll be showing you is what I'm doing for my own home. I will show you past ones that I have sold or made just as gifts. Same thing with cooking. I love to cook. I owned a bread business. And when I say bread, it wasn't all breads. It was a German pretzel bakery that I had owned for 7 years, and it was called Chicago Pretzels. We did the authentic German pretzel with that. So I will be doing tutorials on how to make an authentic German pretzel coming up, hopefully in the next week or two, because I'm making some for the holidays for my family. I'm going to freeze them. So I thought, well, why not do a tutorial on that? So these are things that I thought, why not show what I know? As you can see, I'm not super young. I have done a lot of things in my life, not bragging, but anything that has to do with creativity, I'm all about it. So if I can share that with somebody else, you know, as they're moving along in life that they might enjoy doing, I'm going to share that with you. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to let you know that I hope you don't get too confused when you come to my channel and you see embroidery, you see cooking, you see baking, and you see do-it-yourself crafts. But that's me. That is what I'm all about, and I enjoy that. So that's what's going to be on my channel. Again, you have an option what videos you want to watch. So if you're into embroidery, you're going to watch those. If you're into the cooking, you're going to watch those, and so on and so forth. Don't hesitate that if you have a question, please let us know. Leave it in the box. We will answer what we can. Now, I do have a website. It's called shopofthreads.com, and that is for our embroidery business. I don't really want to get a whole lot of mail through there in regards to a do-it-yourself craft project. I'd rather you write that in the comments. If I start getting too inundated with those kind of emails from our website, I may not be answering them there because I'm asking you to, first choice would be to do it in the comment box. Okay. If I have time, I'll do it. But if I don't, you may not hear back from me through the website about a do-it-yourself project or some kind of, you know, recipe that I'm giving. And I hope you understand that, but I just don't want to get too inundated on my embroidery website. All right. So I want to thank you again for coming to the channel and listening to us. When I say us, my husband's involved in the background of this. He has been demoing some of my do-it-yourself craft projects. So you'll see him here and there. He's a funny guy. He's a supportive man. And I'm a lucky lady. So you guys have a great rest of your day. And thanks again. And we'll chat soon. Bye-bye.